Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here. And if you're watching this video right now and you are a YouTube creator and you're creating content here on this platform, you need to watch this video all the way through. Okay? Now, I'm not going to do the intro that I usually do or anything like that because this is very important information and you need to know what to look out for, or else every video you created, everything, all the hard work, late nights, that's going to be all for nothing if you don't pay close attention. All right. Now, with that being said, let's jump right into it. All right. So a couple of days ago, guys, I'm going to share with you an email that I received. Okay. And a ton more creators have received this same exact email. All right. So what was that? 2 days ago on June 20th, I received an email. Now, this looks like it could be from YouTube, right? Because you see the YouTube logo up there, and then you see and I'm going to read it to you just so you can know exactly what to look for when this YouTube phishing email scam tries to come into your inbox. Okay, so here we go. Hello, Rakeem Addison. Your YouTube channel was reported to contain several spam videos. Okay, so let's stop right there. Okay, anytime that YouTube has an issue with any of your videos or anything like that, they specify to you which video that is. All right, so first red flag. All right, but you don't have to worry. Our YouTube team will supervise your channel and send you an email. They didn't even look at the grammar there, and send you email about the process. Grammars. All right, so here we go. You are required to fill in the following questionnaire and reply to this email. You are advised to upload no more new videos before reviewing is over. If you don't fill in the questionnaire and our team fails to review your channel as a result, your channel will be closed. Thanks for your patience. First off, YouTube they don't close your channel without letting you know. Okay, and then this is where the red flags really came in right here. Okay, so they asked the channel URL. That's nothing crazy, right? The channel content, nothing crazy. The copyright, yes or no, nothing crazy. But this right here, channel password. Okay, so YouTube, let me share this with you. YouTube can shut your account down anytime they want. They're not going to ask you for your password. They already know that information. Right? And any other site, right? And this could go for phishing as a whole. Any other site that asks you to verify your password through email, that is a fake scam. Okay? Understand that as a whole, not just this video on YouTube. Do not reply back. Make sure you reach out to the actual company and verify with them that it is real. Okay? All right, so red flag, channel password. Now, something else I want to point out. This right here, the email, youtube.spam.control@mail.ru. Okay? RU is Russia. Okay? That is a Russian, pretty much the tail end of that is coming from Russia. Now, something else I want to point out. This right here. 4208 Big Indian, Louisiana, QN 88050, and then notice they put a USA here. This is not USA, guys. 88050. Let's go over here to Google so I can share with you that is not a USA address. I want to say it was 880. There it is right there. All right, so check it out, guys. What does this say right here? Postal code for 88050 is in Pakistan. Okay, guys? Red flags, guys. Now, when I first read it, I was like, inside me, I started to like kind of flame up a little bit because I had put so much work, and I was like, oh heck no, I didn't put too much work into this channel. There's no way that my channel is just gonna get closed down. Right? So I was initially thinking that, and that's what could happen to somebody who's naive, and then they send their information over, and boom, the person literally just got access to their account. And I don't want that to happen. And you could probably tell by the way I'm talking is I'm very passionate about things like this. I don't want to see people get scammed. Right? I don't. And so when I saw this email, it did get me a little bit angry. But when I saw that they asked for the password, I knew right then and there that was a phishing email. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you somebody who actually did it. They actually sent their information over, which means that that person just their account was just compromised. All right, so let's go over to this article. Well, it's not really an article. It's on the YouTube help thread. But what I did is when I got the email, I went to Google and I typed in. I think I typed in like YouTube scam email or something like that, and this article popped up. Now look at the date on it. This is 6/12/2019, so it was very recent. All right, so tell me it's fake or real email from YouTube for spam videos. So this person, the Black Elk, he made the post because he was trying to figure out, was that a real email or not. So you're gonna notice that's the same email that I received. Let's keep going. All right, so here it is. Same email, YouTube support, youtube.spamcontrol@mail.ru. So why is this message in my spam? So a YouTube email is gonna go to spam? I don't think so, guys. It's not gonna happen. So let's go. Let's get to the actual meat of it. So, okay, so here we go. Same exact email that I received. Hello there, we have received a complaint that there are many spam videos on the YouTube channel. Same exact email asking for the same thing. And get this, guys, there was a ton more people that were responding to this thread. Now let me kind of back out a little bit. All right, so that should be good. All right, so now let's keep scrolling down because like I said, there's going to be other people that are commenting. All right, we will review your channel by our YouTube team and let you know by email, okay? They're not going to do that. Everything that YouTube is doing is all legit. They're not going to ask you for your channel password. They already know that. They own the platform. Remember that, okay? So that's just some tips. And I'm going to share with you some other tips that you can use to just instantly just realize that that whatever you're looking at is fake or is it real. All right, so let's continue to go down. All right, so thank you for your return. Our employee had trouble logging in. Now, just so you guys understand what you're looking at here, this person actually sent the information. All of this stuff right there, they sent it over, and this is what they got back, almost like an instant reply back to them saying, hey, thank you for your return. Our employee had trouble logging in to check your channel. YouTube account is spam. Please add two-step phone verification to your channel. Activate entry with phone verification code when logging into your account. Do you know what that means, guys? Do you know what that means? They got his information, and since he had two-factor authentication attached to his account, they were then trying to ask him for his two-factor authentication code so they can get into his account. Now, is that crazy, guys? These are the things that people are doing to try to compromise your account, get access to all that you have. Because think about it, when they get access to your YouTube account, what else do they get access to? Your Gmail, right? They can instantly go check out your emails and get access to some really vital information that could literally crush you, right? And so this is why like you can tell like this right here just kind of really pisses me off. It really does, guys. I'm just going to be completely honest. I don't really use the language here on my channel, but this right here just pisses me off. All right, so what could you do? Okay, so on Twitter, YouTube is big on Twitter. So what you can also do is I typed in YouTube phishing email. Now look, I'm gonna go to the actual YouTube team, right? Their actual Twitter, so you can get information directly from them. Now let's go to the team. Okay, so this is the actual page for YouTube, right? This is where everybody comes. They have over 657,000 followers. Now look what they said. Thanks for bringing this to our notice. This email wasn't sent by our team. You can report the spam/phishing email by following the steps mentioned here. Note that YouTube will never ask you for your personal info like password. Hope this clarifies. There it is. right in plain day. That is a scam email, and if you've already received it, I pray that you have not sent your information over to whoever it is that has been trying to scam people and compromise their accounts. Okay, so that's straight from YouTube right there. Now, how can you avoid and report phishing emails? I'm going to show you how to do it here in a minute. All right, so avoid and report phishing emails. A phishing attack happens when someone tries to trick you into sharing personal information online. Okay, let's continue reading. I just want to educate you. Phishing is usually done through email, right? That's through email, right? Ads or by sites that look similar to sites that you already use. So for example, if someone someone who is phishing might send you an email that looks like it's from your bank, so that you'll give them information about your bank account. So look what they did. They put the YouTube logo. This is how they get people, guys. This is how they get people. They prey on those people who are naive, and then they pull something like this, and boom, they got that person's information. Crazy stuff that people do, right? But let's go back over here. And they make it look like it's from what you're already using. And then if you send your information over, it's gone. It's gone. Okay, now here are some phishing emails or sites. These are things that they're going to be asking for in those emails. All right, usernames and passwords. So what did they do in this email? They asked for my channel password. No way in heck I was going to send that over to them. All right, social security numbers, bank account numbers, PINs, credit card numbers, your mother's maiden name, your birthday, right? And once again, here's what it says. Google or Gmail will never ask you to provide this type of information in an email. They will never do that, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to report it as a phishing email. So they give you the instructions, but I'm going to just show you how to do it right here. All right, so boom, this is the email, right? All you're going to do is you're going to click into the email. Once it opens up, you're going to click on the three dots right here, and you're going to go to report phishing, okay? Then you're going to hit report phishing message, and boom, message reported as a phishing attack and move to the spam box. Now, when we make sure you share this video, right? Make sure you share this video with more and more people so they can send that to the phishing, send it to spam, so that it never gets to people anymore. I'm tired of seeing people get yoked for their information, right? And now everything that they've worked for, right? All the hard work, late nights, creating new content for their people. And let's say, for instance, they had like a ton of subscribers. They just gave away access to everything. And that could literally tear a person up. It really can. So that was the tips that I can give you for looking out for these different scams. That's what they are, just scams. Like I can't understand in my mind why people would do it, but this video is going to be helpful for you and just avoiding things like that. All right, so hopefully you got something from this video. Hopefully this was helpful. Make sure you share this out, get this video out, because this is huge. If you send your information, that's a wrap for you. It is a wrap, and it's going to be a headache trying to get everything right back on your account. So hopefully you got something from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful and if you're going to share this out. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace. Stay safe out there.